Akoshia's tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making what we call Kaaklo or plantain fritters. So please stay tuned and let's get started. So in a blender, I'm going to add 10 grams ginger, and then I'll add 1 habanero pepper, 5 grams cloves, 5 grams peppercorn, and then 100 grams red onions. Once everything goes inside the blender, you go ahead and then blend.
Put down your lighter, then on your stove, we making it brighter. We taking you higher, we killing the vibe, we no go retire. Any food.
So after blending, this is exactly how it's supposed to look like. Okay, it should be in a paste form. So I'm going to set it aside and move to the next step. So the next thing I'm going to do is to peel my ripe plantain. If you have overripe plantain too, you can use for this recipe. Okay, so peel the plantain and then slice them and put everything in your earthenware bowl. I'm going to mash this, but if you don't have the earthenware bowl, you can go ahead and use your food processor, and then you will still achieve the same result.
Recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Tasty recipe.
Okay, so now it's time to mash the plantain. My plantains were a bit firm, but it's still okay for this recipe. As I said, if you have overripe plantains, then you're going to have it easy to mash. Okay, you can also use your food processor if you don't have the earthenware bowl, as I said. So I'll mash everything until I get this smooth mixture. Okay,
We give you recipe. Akosha recipe. We get the recipe. Akosha recipe. We go give you recipe.
okay, so at this point the texture is okay for me, so I'm going to go ahead and add the blended ingredient. Okay, and then mix everything together.
Tasty recipe. Recipe. Ediani na bio. Yebeti. Ediani na bio. Yebeti.
So once everything is well mixed, I'll go ahead and add 200 grams of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, that's okay. You can replace with normal flour or even cassava flour. Yes, and then you will still get the same result. I like to add my flour in bits so that I can see the consistency that I'm going for. So please do the same so you can achieve the best result after trying this recipe. Okay,
Any food you they want to go get. Anything you they want to go get. Yeah, we killing the vibe. Yeah, we killing the vibe.
so at this point I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. Okay, so once it goes in, I'm going to give it a really good mix to make sure that everything is well incorporated. And whilst doing this, please make sure to preheat your oil to 180 degrees and then go ahead and then deep fry. So I'm just going to use my ladle or spatula to scoop to my preferred size and then fry until golden brown.
Recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Tasty recipe.
So I'm using a fork to turn it so that every side will be well cooked. Okay, this recipe needs attention. So please give it the maximum attention when you're going to try this. Okay, so right now the first batch is done, and I'm going to remove it and then put it in a colander line with a paper towel to soak the excess oil. So once you remove everything, go ahead and scoop the second batch and then fry until it's golden brown as well.
Put on your lighter, then on your stove, we making it brighter. We taking you higher, we killing the vibe, we no go retire. Any food you they want to go get, anything you they want to go get. Yeah, we killing the vibe.
Okay, so that is the final outcome after frying everything. This was so good, so I was eating whilst frying. Okay, so let me show you how the inside looks. Yeah, it's perfectly cooked, and then the taste was very delicious. You can serve this with black-eyed beans or bambara beans or even peanuts. Okay, anything that you want to enjoy with this delicious kaaklo or plantain fritter. So I'm going to go ahead and serve mine in the earthenware bowl. Okay, and then I'll top up with some egg and avocado. As I said, garnish and enjoy your own way. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Okay, and to my new subscribers, please, you're welcome to my channel. For those who recommend me, thank you very much. I really do appreciate. Please stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. I'll leave you guys here. God bless you all. Please take care. Bye.
I